dreaming, or stupid. I think I've been a hit by Cupid, and no one needs to know right now. I met a tall, dark, and handsome man, and I've been busy making big plans. No one needs to know right now. I got my heart set, my feet wet, but he don't even know. Yeah, no one needs to know right now. I'll tell him someday, some way, somehow, but I'm gotta keep it a secret for now. I want a bells to ring, a choir to sing, a white dress to dance, a kick to quite a whole damn thing. No one needs to know right now. I'll tell him someday, some way, somehow, but I'm gonna keep it a secret for now. We'll have a little girl, a little boy, a little Benzie we call Leroy. No one needs to know right now. But I'm not lonely, lonely, lonely anymore at night, and he don't know now. Lonely, lonely, he can make it right. And I'm not lonely, don't know now. Lonely, lonely, he can make it right. I'm not a dreaming, a stupid, but boy, I've been hit by Cupid, and no one needs to know right now. No one needs to know right now.
Thank you.